going to write this validate function in the JavaScript code. Okay, in this script I am writing the function and name of the function is validate a lot of, and just I am checking that thing. When you click on the button, yes, it is giving alert, means yes, it is entering into the function. That means the function is working, we don't have any errors. Now we are going to validate that thing. Here I am taking the name is equal to, how to get the name? By using, where is the text box? Name text box in the form. What is the name of the form? F1. And what is the name of the text box? T1. And here what you are getting? Value. Next, where I am going to get password also. PASS is equal to F1 dot the password box value. The text box name is T2. The password box, the password text box name is T2. After the password, I am going to use one more thing, that is confirm password. What is that one? Confirm password. Confirm password, and the name of this thing is T5. I am giving, or I will give pass. The name of this thing is pass. Okay. Next one, the where C password is equal to F1 dot pass dot value. F1 dot pass dot value. You are writing the confirm password. After that, after the confirm box, what is the thing you have? Radio button. Okay, now we will see that thing later. Checkbox also. Next, city. Now we are going to write this thing for the city. Here I am writing where city is equal to F1 dot, here the name of the city, select option is T3. Okay, T3 dot selected index, selected index. What it will return? It will return the index of the, it is going to return the index of the thing. By default the index of value will start from 0. Simply I will check this thing once. Alert of CITY, city. Save it. Okay, I am selecting this and click on validate. It is returning 1 for the HYD. And select, I am going to select nothing, means the first one is empty, it is going to just select 0. Here the first index value is 0 and second index value is 1, 2, 3. The index will start from 0. And next, after validating the city, what is the thing we have? Text area. Okay, text area also same procedure, that's why I am okay. If you want to validate, we can validate where address is equal to F1 dot the, what is the name of the text area? Here the name of the text area is T4. Okay, that's why here I am going to write T4 dot value. Okay. Next, after the text area, what is the content you have? Okay, it's over. Next, save it and refresh the page. Now I am going to validate that one. If, what I am writing? If, in that if function I am writing the name is equal to, in the double quotation I am writing like this. Here I am not writing anything, means it is empty. If the name is empty, then what it will return? Alert of enter your name, alert of enter your name. When you click on the validate, what it have to do? It have to validate that one. Am I right? Here I am going to use one more thing, that is or instead of this thing we can use, I am going to write null. If the name is null, then it will return enter your name. Oh, is there any mistake? Name is a variable null. I will check it once. Okay, here you don't have any errors. Click on validate. Okay, now also you don't have any errors. Name is equal to null or name is equal to empty, then it is going to alert enter your name. Refresh the page and click on validate. What it is showing now? Enter your name. Here what is the meaning at here? It may be null, or if it doesn't have any content, then it is going to return enter your name. Now I am writing like this. Now it is returning something. Is it returning anything? No. Next I am going to validate the second one by using if also, by using if only. Here the pass, I am writing the password is null or the password is empty, then it is going to return enter your password. Enter your password. Okay, enter your name. Okay, it is showing enter your password also. Am I right? Now what I am doing here? I am writing return 0. When you return 0, when you return nothing, then what it will do? Simply it will, again it is not going to execute that one. Validate. It is giving only enter your name. After that it is not going to execute this one. Okay, that's why you will get one after another. Otherwise, if you don't return this value, if you don't return this thing, how it will going to show? How it is going to show? It is going to show one after another. I want to get only one alert box. I want to get only one alert box at a time. When I click on the validate button, I want to get only one alert box. That's why I used return 0. Next, after that thing, when the password is null, next you have to check the confirm password. Where you have the confirm password? In the cpass. I am going to do the same thing for the cpass also. Copy, paste. Here I am writing cpass. If cpass is null and if cpass is empty, then it is going to enter your name. Okay, I will enter my name. After the password, again it is showing enter the password. Okay, now I am after the password. I am going to use one more thing. What is it? Return 0. If you use return 0, at a time you will get only one alert box. Okay, that's why I am going to write return 0 in every if condition. Next, here the name is Manideep and the password is money and the confirm password is deep, but still it is not. When I click on the validate button, it is not showing the, but it is not showing both are not equal. It have to show that thing, but it is not showing that thing. How to get that one? If I am writing if password not equal to see pass. If password is not equal to confirm password, then it is, if password is not equal to confirm password, then it is going to alert as both should be match. Both should be match. Refresh. I am giving something. I am giving values. Now what it is showing? Both should be match. If both are equal, not equal, then it is going to return that one. Okay. Next, after the confirm password, what is the thing you have to validate? Gender. Okay. What is the thing you have to validate? Gender. Now I am going to validate the gender by using the if function. Okay. How to validate? How to validate? Now what I am doing is, first I am writing in the if f1 dot, what is the name of the checkbox radio button? Gender, gender, gender of 0, gender of 0. The index of the first radio button is 0 and the index of the second radio button is 1. Okay, remember that thing. And if you have one more radio button in the name gender, then the index of the third radio button is 2. By default the index will start from 0. I am writing CHECKED checked is equal to false. False is equal to false, or and if both are false, then I want to execute that one. That's why I am going to keep this thing in the brackets, first one and second one. What is the name of the form? F1. And what is the name of the radio buttons? Okay, gender of, you are going to validate the second radio button. The index value of the second radio button is 1. That's why you have to write 1 on dot checked, CHECKED checked. If it is checked is equal to false, FALSE false, then it is going to return select the gender, ALERT, alert of, select the gender. Save it and refresh the page. I am giving something. Okay. Valid. What is showing now? Select the gender. Select female and click on valid. Now it is not showing that thing. Am I right? Here by default the index will start from 0. The index will start from 0. That's why here it is not going to show the error. And here how you are checking? Checked. A form name dot gender is the name of the radio button and the index will start from 0. In the gender of 0 is the first radio button and the gender of 1 is the second radio button. If you have one more radio button, that is gender of 2 only. Okay. You can validate the checkbox also like that. You can validate the checkbox also like that. Copy, and here what is the name of the checkbox? Here the name is LANGUAGE, language. Okay. Instead of 0 gender I am going to use languages. Simply I will copy that one. Copy. What is the name? Is language. Copy and paste. control V, and language of 1, control V, and you have to write for the, you have to check the third checkbox also. If third checkbox, and F1 dot languages of 2 is equal to false. Dot checked is equal to false. Then it is going to return select the language. Then it will return select the languages. I am writing name, password, mail, and valid. Okay, write in language of 0, F1 dot language of 0, 1. Okay, I will decrease the font size. Spelling mistake is there. Okay, language, language, spelling mistake is there, that's why you are not getting that one. Yes, now it is showing select the language. The index of this thing is language of 0, you have the first checkbox, and in the language of 1 you have the second checkbox, and in the language of 2 we have third checkbox. Next, how to validate the select button? It's very easy to validate. If the value is 0, if the selected index is 0, what is the meaning? City. Where you have that selected index? You have that selected index at here, city. At here, in that city you have the selected index. Now I am writing the city. I am going to write, if city is equal to 0, then it is going to return alert of enter the select the city. I am giving some name, password, now what it is showing here, the value is 0. What is that? The index value is 0, that's why it is showing select the city. And the next one is, okay, this is validating a checkbox, and validating address, it's very easy. Already you know that one. If the value is if text form 1 dot, okay, then already we store that thing in this variable address. Okay, address is equal to null or address is equal to empty, then it is going to return it is going to print select type your address. It's already you know this process. And when you are validating a mobile number, For example, if you are validating the mobile number, how to validate? If first you have to calculate the length. First you have to calculate the length. How to calculate? For example, here you have the name. Okay, I will take a text box. I am going to use a text box. Okay, copy, paste. In that, instead of address, I am going to write mobile number. Okay, in the instead of text area, I am going to use input space type is equal to number. Okay, and the name of that thing is, the name of that one is T5. Name of the number box is T5. Okay, mobile number. It will accept only the numbers. If the length is 10, then only it will accept. How to calculate that one? Here I am writing, if I am going to write like this, we can write like this also. If F1 dot, F1 is the name of the form and T5 is the name of the text box, and what you are validating, value is, I am going to save this thing first and I will calculate the length. Cut. Where number is equal to value. Next I will calculate the length. How to calculate? ML, I am writing number length. Simply I am writing like this, number dot length. It will return the length of that thing, number dot length. Okay, next you have that if the length is not is equal to 10, if where you have that one, you have that length in the NL. If the NL is not is equal to 10, then what is the meaning? It is not a valid number. Alert of, in the double quotations, enter the valid number. By using the pattern attribute, we can represent the pattern also. For that number, what we can represent? We can represent the pattern also. Okay, this is validating a form. Okay, and next one we are going to see is I am writing small HTML head body. Now we are going to see about date functions, PDF and date function. Script, in that script the name is something, you can give anything. I am giving sample.html. Yes, okay. Next I want to get the date. Okay, by using the date function we can get the date. I am going to store that date in the D1 new date. What it will return? Here date is a predefined function. It is going to return date. it will return the date. I am going to store it in the D1. Next, in that thing I am writing, I am going to print the D1. What I am doing, I am printing that D1 and I am giving break also. Document dot write. I am printing D1. Sample.html. Okay, it is what it is returning. It is returning Sunday, October 2nd, 2016. It is returning date, month, year, date, time. It is going to return everything along with the time zone. Now what I am doing is, again I am document dot write of, I am going to write the date. Date is D1 dot get date. What it will return? It will return the date. What is showing? 2, second date. It is returning date. For example, if you don't represent new, okay, it is printing the D1. Okay, it is going to return the date. Yes, we are storing that thing in the D1 and we are printing that one. Now what we are doing from the D1, if you want to get only the date, we need some memory. Here that new operator is going to create that memory. Okay, here the new operator is going to create that memory to return the date for that particular date. Separately it is going to create that one. That's why only we are using new. If you don't use the new operator, you will not get the output. Now I am going to get day. Date 0. Today is Sunday, that's why it is showing 0. Okay. Next, now I am going to get hours. Get hours, HOURS, hours. What it will return? It will return the hours 13. Now the time is 1 o'clock, that's why it is returning 13. Next, instead of hours I am going to use minutes. If I use minutes, then it will return minutes. MINUTES, minutes. Refresh the page, it is returning minutes also. Oh, sorry. First one is date and second one is index of date. Index of the day. Index of the day and the hours. Hours. What is the next one is minutes. Minutes. Yes. If you want to give break, again use concatenation and give a break. Copy, paste, save it and refresh the page. Day, hours, minutes. These are date functions. What are these? These all are date function. By using d1.getDate, what it will return? It is going to return the date from the date function. When you write getDay, it will return the index of the, it is going to return the index of the day. When you use getHours, it will return the number of hours, only the hours. When you write minutes, it will return the minutes from the d1. d1 means date function. Okay, these are date function. And the next one is mathematical functions. Next one is mathematical function. I am writing to use document dot write of, I am writing math dot pi. What it will return? It will return the pi value. Document dot right. The pi value is 3.141, that's why it is returning pi value. And next one is document dot write of square root math dot square root 2. What it will return? It will return this square root value. In that math, m is the capital. Okay, it is returning square root 12. Okay, now I want to give break, that's why I am using some b r. Okay, here also I am going to use the same thing. Copy, paste, copy, paste. Okay, now we are getting one after another. Instead of math of pi, now we are going to see about sale function. Save it. Okay, what it is showing? It is showing an object, it is a predefined object math, that's why it is showing like that. Next one is ABS. What it will return? It is going to return the absolute value. Absolute value. When you give minus values, then it will convert those minus values into positive values and it will return these positive values. Okay, when you give plus, still it is going to return the positive value only. ABS is going to return the absolute value. And I am going to write DOCUM document dot write of. Now I am writing the mathematical function that is CEIL sale. What it will return? Math dot sale of value. I am giving something dot some 7 8. What it will return? It is going to return the maximum value. Here I will give break also. Save it. Yes, it is going to return the maximum value, round figure of the particular value. What is the round figure of this? 37.78 38. That's why it is returning 38. If you represent 4 48, still it